Well, in this video, I'm going to take you through the Tusome school management system and show you the features that are inside the system. So after creating an account for your school, we provide you a unique subdomain like this one. For example, you see here it is school.tusometech.com. So if your school, let's say it is Mohindo Primary School, we shall provide you a name or a unique name that is relevant for your school, so your school can always be different and can be accessed through a unique domain or subdomain. So once the system identifies that you want to log in as a member for your school, the system will go ahead and provide you a unique login page like this one that will be designed specifically for your school. And the words that will build the login page will be specifically for your school with your badge and the colors, etc. So I'll go ahead and place in your login so we can be able to identify you. So I'll go ahead and place in mine, and then I proceed by pressing the login button to proceed into the system. So once you successfully log into the system will go ahead and show you the main dashboard. So here in the main dashboard, we shall have some important figures that can help you to make different decisions. So these figures, as we proceed through the training, we shall understand where each and every figure that is showing up here is coming from. So with that much said, I'm going to go ahead and explain everything in the menu here, just briefly. So as I've told you, to begin with the login dashboard. So the system gives you the administration, and also what I wanted to say, that here you'll see something depending on your user rights. Not everyone is going to see anything, but me, I've logged in as a school main administrator. That's why I'm able to see most of the things here. But if you're just a teacher, we shall show you things that are only relevant to the teacher. So now let's proceed into the menu. So I'm going to show you different items that we have in the menu. We have the system administration. Here in the system administration, we give you different things that you can do under the system administration. We shall go through those. Then you have the messaging. So this messaging gives you ability to communicate to parents, to teachers, etc. Then you have the wallet. So here in the wallet, the system enables you to keep the credit in the system. As you can see here, it enables you to keep the credit in the system. And this feature helps you to have the credit. After having the credit in the system, it can enable you to send SMSs out of the system, and even other features that are being built per wallet. So we have the theology section. This theology section is relevant for all the schools that have theology subjects like Arabic or Christian religious education specifically. So that is the theology section. Then you have the academic section. This section helps you to set the academic things or things that are relevant to academics. Then you have roll calls. So here we enable you to, it gives you ability to manage the roll calls, school attendance, etc. Students attendance, etc. Then you have the marketplace. We shall go through this. This one will help you to procure different things for your school, where you can have your suppliers registered into the system, and then they can log into their mobile application, and then they'll be able to post their items, and you can be able to to source different products using this. Don't worry, we shall explain this one in details when you shall make that training. Then we have the inventory. So in the inventory here, it helps you to keep your school stock within one place. And then you'll have the communication. This communication mainly sends the information to the mobile application. You can use this one to send the notifications to the parents, and even maybe being able to post the school news or school events. And these items that you post here, they'll appear into the mobile application. Then you have the transport management. This one caters for transport management for the schools which have transport items, or transport service at your school. Then you have visitors. This one helps to digitize your visitors' content, and this one works hand in hand with the mobile application that we shall demonstrate to you. Scheme of work helps teachers to scheme their work in the system, and the administrators can be able to monitor them, even be able to export them from the system from here. Then you have human resource. This one is for catering, teaching and non-teaching staff information. Then you have the hostel management. So school with boarding and hostel, they can use this module to manage their hostels and boarding. Then you have the sick bay. Sick bay, it helps you to keep the students' health records. We have the asset management. This one will help you to know the net worth of the school and the state of which and every asset that is in the school. Then you have the finance. So this one helps you to maintain the budget and income and expenditure of the school. Then you have the examination section. This one, the place where you're able to collect the marks from students and even be able to generate report cards, right? And this one helps it on the report cards. We shall explain everything in details when we come back for explanation, for training. Then we have school fees management. So here, school fees management helps you to manage the school fees as it says, right? Or school fees. And then you have the new curriculum. This one caters for the new Uganda curriculum. Then this one is for student information, like the student centers is for student information, keeping the student information on their parents, their disciplinary records, as well as generating ID cards for the students. All of it is here. And this one is for the admission. So admission, it helps us to admit students and keep them in admission pending until they report. So all that is here. And when we come back for the explanation or for the training, we shall go in details of each of every module here. So I hope you have seen basically what Tusome system can do for you, and more is still coming. We keep improving it day by day. So in the next video, we're going now to get started with the real training of Tusome school management system. If you have any comment that you'd like to tell us, you can put in the comment section. See you in the next video. We're going to start now the real training of Tusome school management system.